Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, I'm so excited, but we're gonna be unboxing my July PR box from Ipsy. It's kind of damaged, but it is what it is. If you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, but then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so my hair is just a little crazy right now because legit, we saw that it was about to storm, so we quickly rushed our dogs aside to let them go pee one last time because sometimes when it rains here, well, it rains every day in Florida. This is the Florida summer season, so it literally rains every day for hours. Sometimes it could be 5 minutes, sometimes it could be for hours on end. So we saw, we're like, oh, let's quickly take our dogs out. We got probably like, I don't know, down the street and it just started to come down. We're like, no, so we're like running back and oh my god, so my hair definitely is like trying to dry down right now. My face got soaked, so I just had to like set it with powder, but it still looks really, really oily. So yeah, if you guys hear any thunder or rain, it's because it's the Florida summer for you. But I do want to first start off by saying thank you so much to Ipsy for gifting this to me in PR. It has been so much fun being on Ipsy's PR list. They are so sweet and they're so kind, and I just really do enjoy working with them. Just so you guys know, they do gift me the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and the Ipsy Glam Bag. For both of them usually fit in this box. Sometimes they do add additional stuff in there, but I don't know if or when. I will also preface and say that I don't know what items go into what bag. That's the only problem with being on the PR list. They don't put like a little insert that tells me, hey, this goes to this bag, hey, this goes to that. And so many of you guys have told me in my comment section, well, why don't you just like look at the Ipsy app? This is in PR, so I don't have like an Ipsy app associated with it. I don't have a way to view like what my card is, what the value of my box is. Like, this is PR, so there's no association with that whatsoever. So yeah, let's go ahead and find out what we got. Okay, so this month's box is called Stay Golden. Stay golden, pony boy. Anyone get the reference? So this is what this month is about. It's just about staying golden. All right, so, ooh, the first thing that we see is I see a few items in here, but the first one we'll pull out is this bag right here. Now it says Stay Golden. This is actually a really cute makeup bag. It's very soft and squishy, or it could just be the items inside. They're very soft and squishy, but I actually do like this makeup bag, and I say this in every Ipsy video. I like that they give a little bag for the $12 one, and back in the day, I don't think they do it anymore, but they used to have Ipsy Ultimate, where it's like this big makeup bag, and then you have Ipsy Plus in between. But for some reason, they don't do a makeup bag for the $25 one. They do a little freaking Santa sack, and it's great because I put all my little items in there when I do my No Waste Wednesday, and I could like store all like my little sample items for my No Waste Wednesday and ship it off that way. So it's great to have that. But at the same time, like, it's kind of nice if they add like an actual makeup bag. Like, I would like to get a makeup bag every once in a while too. But here we have the $12 bag. I don't know what's in here, but I will say this bag is actually really cute. I'm not gonna lie. It has a little blue zipper and blue on the inside. That's so cute. Okay, so one of the first things that I see is from Nomad. This is from Nomad Cosmetics. I really do like Nomad Cosmetics. And this is the Cartagena Magica. I have no idea what that is, but it is a intense eyeshadow. Oh, that is ooh, that is beautiful. Ooh, that is really pretty. I actually had no idea that Nomad Cosmetics actually had individual shadows. That's actually good to know. That is really pretty. Oh, I like that. Okay, next there is a, oh, guys, we're getting fancy. We're getting Artist Couture. Artist Couture. What are you wearing? Artist Couture. This is a silky lip oil. Oh, I do love my lip oils. Oh, she's fancy. Let's... Sorry. Oh, bitch, that smells like watermelon. Very nice and silky. I will say they have a really big applicator for such a small little size. I think the applicator is a little redundant, but ooh, I do love lip oils. That's actually really nice. That's cool. All right, next there is a, ooh, this is from HelloFresh. Wow. Oh, whoa, I don't know, I just said HelloFresh. I think this is what I was thinking about my dinner. So this is from First Aid Beauty, and I just saw Hello Fab, and I just thought fresh. Wow. Okay, so this is Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. This is with fig extracts. It's oil-free, safe for sensitive skin. So I would definitely have to give this a go because anything that's going to be for pores be gone and has mattifying properties, I'm all about because your girl's extremely oily, especially here in the summer heat and the humidity that we have. So that's going to be exciting to try it out. And if it's really good, then I can definitely go out and buy the full-size version of it. All right, next there is from Briorgio. This is Superfood Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisturizing Hair Mask. I love this brand so much. It's very nice for my hair. So my hair, I do dye my hair. Well, I have it professionally done. And I always take such good care of my hair because my hair is expensive. I've been getting my hair done for years now. I think ever since I was like, I don't know, 18. But I used to be a big redhead, by the way, just so you guys know. But I ended up going back to my natural blonde. I think I was like 24, 25. But I've been doing it ever since. So I take really good care of my hair. So this is such a great brand. Oh my God, I love this brand. Let's do. Oh, it's green. Bitch. You know what this kind of smells like? It kind of smells like Tresemme just a little bit. And whenever I smell Tresemme, I think of being on a cruise. And the reason why I think of being on a cruise is because like Tresemme was always that one brand that had like small travel size shampoo bottles, and Tresemme is horrible for your hair. At least for my hair, it's really horrible, and it just strips away a lot of the properties, strips away the color, and just can cause a lot of damage. But anyway, I would still buy it when I go on a cruise because, like, well, screw it. I'm going to be on a cruise. I'm going to go ahead and just, do, wash my hair, and I'll take care of it when I get back. But damn, do I love the smell of Tresemme. It smells so good. I'm so excited. I'm going to be using this tonight. Okay, so wow, they have a lot of stuff in here. Next, there is a product from Hip Dot. What? So this is a little red moon. That's all it says. It's a little blush. What? Ooh, I think it might be my color blush. Maybe. We'd be very light about that, but that is really cool. Wow, they're only throwing name brands in here? What? Last but not least, there is a Cake Pencil Intensely Rich Longwear Eyeliner from BD. Nice. I'll definitely have to give this a try. First time I didn't get a liquid liner. That's really cool. This was a fantastic $12 bag. I mean, literally, there's nothing but name brands in here. And that is so cool. Typically, whenever I get anything from Ipsy, a lot of times it's usually brands I'd never heard of. So it's kind of nice to get stuff that I recognize. That is awesome. Alrighty. Next, there is some randomly thrown in here stuff. So the first thing I see is a little Santa sack. So I could be like, ho ho, bitches. I love it. Well, I don't really love this one, but I just, like I said, I use these to put like my face mask in or any like, skincare products I ship out my No Waste Wednesdays. So these definitely do get used and repurposed. So I'm sorry to those who don't want it and you're with my No Waste Wednesday. Sorry. But the first thing I see is from I don't understand. So the first thing I see is from Wander Beauty, and it's a baggage claim golden eye mask. No Waste Wednesday. That's all I'll say. Okay, so next there is a pillowy shave cream. So this is from Refreshments. So this is Ipsy's own like skincare line, extra brand that they have, and you can sign up for it if you wish to do so. But this is one of their products right here. So I think it's really cool. Shave cream. So nice. Next there is a set of MOTD Cosmetics. Why have I heard this before? I've heard of this brand before, but it is a set of brushes. Really nice. Seems to be like their face brushes. I'm not really the biggest fan of some face brushes. Like my favorite ones are from Bling Brushes, but I'm very particular about my face brush and shape. So I think I'm gonna add this to my No Waste Wednesday. I know that I might not get a use out of this, and I'd rather not waste it if I don't have to. Speaking of my No Waste Wednesday, I do have a huge giveaway going on my Instagram right now. So go check me out, Allie Dawson 89, because I'm giving away this awesome prize right here. And I also have my No Waste Wednesday. I'll have linked down below. 2 more awesome prizes in there as well. All right, so next there is a Dr. Eve Royouth. This is a vitamin C night moisturizer. Okay, cool. I like when I get other, like, I don't mind getting skincare products. I like when it's limited, but it's kind of nice when it's just not eye products. So it just seems like it's a nighttime moisturizer cream. That's awesome. Ooh, next we got a product from Eye Maquillage. This is a Black Card Lift, Curl, and Lengthening Mascara. I will never say no to more mascara. Hopefully it's a slender wand because I don't really do well with chunky wands. Ooh, bitch! This is my cup of tea! Oh, I cannot wait to try this out. I am so excited. I just realized I have claw marks right there. Koa. That is so exciting. Oh, I will definitely be leaving some on my desk so I can give that a try. That is so cool. Okay, so next there is this A Soleil X Ipsy. What are you? What? Oh my God. They just gave me like a freaking sheet. What? We hope you love this A Soleil X Ipsy sarong. Sarong, so sorry. As much as we love creating it, these grew out of desire to make a chic, wearable cover-up for any venture under the sun. We believe our sarongs can elevate any beach look while making you feel comfortable and confident at the same time. Happy sunning! P.S. Enjoy 15% off with the code Ipsy through the end of July. How the hell? All right, guys, let's figure this out together. Good thing I put on a bra today. Okay, so how the hell do you do this? Guys. All right, hold up. Damn, Cole really did scratch my freaking tits. Okay. Oh my God. I can't. Yo. I need y'all to see like what this looks like. We're not going to judge what I'm doing right here, okay? Oh, shit. So, is this how I'm supposed to wear this? Ooh. Don't look. This is freaking ugly. Stop. This is so... How come this ain't as pretty as hers? Hold on. Did I do it wrong? Hers is a lot shorter. How does she do that? Real flattering, huh? Real flattering. Hold up. I figured it out. This is how it's worn. Like oh, what are those called? Not toboggans. A toga? Toga? Who needs a towel when you have a sarong? I got my toga. I mean, I guess you can use this. I would never use this as a beach cover up, by the way. I'm sorry. But this is just what I look like. I walked out of my house. I took one of the sheets off my bed. This does not look like this. Ipsy! So, it would seem that the sheet they gave us is fit for her. Not necessarily fit for me. It's very thick. It's very unflattering. I will stick with my $10 cover-up that I got from Target because those are amazing and they're like little dresses. I'm fine with that. That is my dog's new blanket. But yeah, I would have to say that between the two, y'all, this $12 bag is by far superior to the $25 bag. If I actually paid for the $25 box, which by the way, I do every month, I'd be not a happy camper because yeah, I got one makeup item. I got this. Brushes, okay. I got some moisturizer, then I got a sheet. So I would definitely not be happy with that. But they do make up for it a little bit by having a really awesome $12 bag that I'm actually really happy about. So I'll be keeping all the items in this because it's actually something that I'm excited about. Everything else besides this So Wrong is gonna go on my No Waste Wednesday. But I have to say, thank you so much to Ipsy for sending this to me. Like, at least you gave me a good laugh, so I can't even be mad about it because it tickles my fancy. It makes me feel just quite giddy to open it and just see that. I get a good chuckle out of it. So hopefully you guys did too, and hopefully you guys get that. It looks way better on you than it does on me. But yeah, I'm like this about it. So I think the $12 bag is awesome. Hopefully the customizations for the Glam Bag Plus will be a little bit better than what was in this one. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for the Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures with my amazing husband, Corey. I don't know where I was posting to. And a huge thank you to all these wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And for my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for clicking this video. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you so much. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you, and definitely let me know down below what you guys think of this box and if you guys are excited about it. And once again, a huge thank you to Ipsy for gifting this to me. I thoroughly appreciate it. So with that said, guys, I love you. I'll see you guys very next video. Bye. We have this pillory. Next we have this is like a skincare box. This is like a, so next, make sure you guys check out. So I think I'll be keeping almost this box. You guys, no.